Tailoring requires the project board and the project manager to make proactive choices and decisions on how PRINCE2 will be applied. When tailoring PRINCE2, it is important to remember that effective project management requires information, but not necessarily documents, and decisions, but not necessarily meetings. If PRINCE2 is not tailored, it is unlikely that the project management effort and approach would be appropriate for the needs of the project. The project manager is responsible for tailoring and will make recommendations having consulted relevant lessons and standards. The project board is accountable and needs to approve the recommendations at the end of the initiation stage and every time there is a proposed change to the approach. How PRINCE2 will be applied and tailored for the particular project is captured in the project initiation documentation. PRINCE2's value is that it is a universal project management method that can be applied to take account of the project's context, scale or size, delivery method, stakeholder landscape, complexity, importance, team capability, and level of risk. PRINCE2 should be bent, flexed, folded, and adapted to suit your needs. As discussed, projects are unique, therefore project management is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but is instead about using the right tools at the right time in the right way. The project manager has the responsibility of tailoring PRINCE2 effectively. The 7 principles offer flexibility. They guide how the integrated elements of the method can be applied and tailored to find the best fit for the project and its context while keeping the integrity of the method. So long as the principles are followed, PRINCE2 is being used effectively. The principles are the only element of PRINCE2 unable to be tailored for this reason. This brings you to the end of the module. Please take time to reflect on and consolidate your learning. Consider if you have met the module learning objectives. Do you need to review any of the lessons? You should be able to understand key concepts relating to project and PRINCE2. Recall key concepts related to project management. Describe key concepts related to project management. You should also be able to explain the PRINCE2 principles and explain how and why the principles provide the basis of applying PRINCE2. If you are confident that you have met these objectives, test your knowledge using the module test and then progress to the next module in your learning.